How to fix YouTube downloads not showing. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search bar and search for YouTube. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now wait for some time until the update is installed on your device. Now go back to your home screen, keep holding the YouTube icon and tap on App Info. Now click on Force Stop, go to Storage Usage and tap on Clear Cache. Now restart the application. If nothing works, try to restart your device. Also make sure to free up your space. If your storage is getting full, then YouTube downloads will not appear. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.